Next up, we have Amelia. The Amelia plugin recently launched their new 9.0 version, which completely gave a new overhaul to their WordPress plugin. This booking plugin is the most popular booking plugin for WordPress as of 2026, and for good reason. Amelia has it all: custom fields, tax automation, sending invoices, multilingual supports, deposit payments, and also recurring appointments and events. Amelia also offers a free version in the WordPress repository, so you can install it on your WordPress website for free. The first thing you'll notice is their new interface. They've introduced a completely new interface with a new modern approach. The dashboard looks great, the analytics make sense, and the setup process is quite smooth. The first thing that you should do with Amelia is to add staff, company information, and then add your services. You first need to create an employee in order for the booking form to work. Next is the settings tab. You should fill out the company information like the general working hours, the days you're working, and this will help schedule the appointments to make sure they're more accurate. There are some other options you can check out in the general settings like booking, notification, email, and a few other options. Then after that, you'll create a service. This essentially is going to be the main service that you offer. What's also cool is you can upload your own images in the category section. You'll also be able to add a description for your events, price your events. However, in the free version, there's no payment gateways. This is kind of standard for most booking plugins in the industry. Once you create your employee and services, you can add events and appointments with the Gutenberg page builder or the Elementor page builder. You first click on the plus, and then you'll see the Amelia plugin offers 3 different types of bookings. You have step-by-step, catalog booking, and also the event list. Step-by-step booking is just how it sounds. It offers a step-by-step booking for your customers. Then you have the catalog booking. This essentially gives it a different look and feel for your booking process. Then you have the event list. This is where you can list all your events on your website. And that's it. You click on publish and your forms are ready to go. All in all, it's a pretty simple yet robust booking form that can be used from small businesses all the way to large enterprise businesses. Once a customer is booked on your website, all the transactions will be located in the finance section where you can view the transaction, the customers, see your bookings on your website, and from which employee. Once you understand how the booking setup works, creating booking with Amelia is hands down as simple as it gets. However, the Pro version is where the real magic happens. In the Pro version, you'll have access to all the features. Amelia also has free templates that you can download and upload that will actually take all the settings from the demo websites and import it onto your Amelia booking plugin. The pricing for Amelia is kind of mixed. If you want all of the features that the plugin offers, you'll need to get at least the Pro plan. The standard and starter don't carry all the features, which is kind of annoying. They also offer lifetime plans that start at $229, and I think that's probably your best value. I'll contact this company and see if they give me a discount code, and if they do, I'll put that code in the video description. I would give this plugin a solid 10 out of 10. The dashboard looks great, the features are there, and you can fully customize the booking form to accommodate all types of businesses.